So today is July 17th. It's 9:49 a.m. You can see I took some trades today. I made a $44 profit out of $1,000 capital, all in less than 20 minutes. So $44 profit today out of $1,000 is 5%. 5 to 10% a day is what the ROI, the profit I want to make every day, 5 to 10%. Sometimes more, sometimes less, you know how it is. So basically you can see as the candle started today at 9:30 a.m., it's just started going up. So I started drawing the fib and I started waiting for the pullback. It started pulling back, it came up to here. And I thought it's going to go up here, so I bought here. I bought a bit too early. It came back down. It usually pulls back to the 618. You see that? So it kept coming down, even though I had bought somewhere here. I had a little bit of a loss. And when it touched this 6.618, I bought a couple of more contracts of SPY. And I also bought the IWM because I saw that was going it was stronger. I also bought the QQQ, which is a little bit weaker than the SPY, but I bought more SPY contracts. Long story short, I was able to make because I bought it around here, it went up to here and I sold it. And I was able to make about $45 profit. That's a 4.5%. And I'm done for the day. It's just 20 minutes to the day. All right. See you guys.